In today's video, we are going to show you how to install the Exness app on your Android device. Let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is unlock your Android phone and go to the Google Play Store. Once you are in the Play Store, I want you to search for the Exness Trade Online. And then you should see the official Exness app appear in the search results. Make sure the developer listed is Exness Global Limited to ensure you are downloading the official application. And tap the install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Depending on your internet connection speed, this process may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Now, at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using any VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the downloading times. Once the installation is complete, you will see the open button. I want you to click on it, and there you go. You will find the Exness app homepage, and all I have to do at this point is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Exness, this is a golden opportunity for you to create an account. All I have to do is register with a Google account, or you can use your personal or business email. And then you may need to verify your email address and complete identity verification depending on your region and account requirements. Once you are logged in, you'll have access to the main dashboard. From here, you can verify your trading accounts, deposit and withdraw funds, monitor market prices, open and manage trades, and access trading tools and account settings to track your trading performance. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to install the Exness app on Android. The entire process only takes a few minutes, and once installed, you'll be able to access your Exness account and manage your trading activities directly from your smartphone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.